Look at Titi. Hi. Hi. Hi.
It's
Smile.
video, baby. It's not a picture.
Oh, sorry.
Hi, precious. Hi, precious. Hi, love.
Thanks.
He loves sister. He loves when you hold him. Look at how happy he is. Hi, Papacito. Yes, that's my big sister. You guys look so cute. Yes.
You know what? Papa should be Santa Claus, Mama should be Mrs. Claus, I should be reindeer, and he should be an elf.
That'd be cute. That would be cute. Yes. He's so happy. Yes. Who are you gonna be for Christmas, Papa? Who are you gonna be for Christmas?
You can either be a reindeer or an elf.
You wanna be a little elf? I got the ears for a little elf. Yes.
Hi, Papa. Oh, no.